Hello, my friends. So if you're joining us on TikTok, we are sorry guys, I gotta fix my TikTok.
Today. Mars enters Taurus and
Alright guys, so we're in the midst of that big move to the upside, that fast sudden move higher, marking the end of a decline. So we had this decline here and then boom, fast sudden move higher. And that day trade opportunity, it looks like in the midst of this decline right here at the, let me see here, at the 2 o'clock mark. So right around there was that opportunity to open up a long position and for a day trade, close it at the end of the day. I'm thinking that's actually probably a good idea. I know yesterday I was talking about how the next several days, all the days into the 11th, they're bullish. And that's why I bought this call that expires on the 18th. It's already in the money. It's already or not in the money. It's already profitable. It's a 390 call. I'm going to sell that at the end of the day because even though I see bullish behavior, extreme bullish behavior tomorrow, there's a lot saying there's a drop. I know I said that yesterday, and we had it. It just wasn't nearly what I expected. But we have, this is a bullish card for tomorrow, the Valor card. Guys, if you're hopping on TikTok, you can follow along with us. We're looking at a live chart of the S&P 500 side by side with the tarot reading for today, and we're talking about what we're looking at for tomorrow and the next day. And you can check that out at Tarot for Traders on YouTube, but it's with an FOR, not the number 4. You can also go to our Facebook, same thing, FOR. So we have this thing at the end of this big move at the end of the day, right? And that's an opportunity to close out of the day trade, opening up a call somewhere here around the 2 o'clock mark and then selling right around the end of the day. There's going to be some crisscrossing back and forth through the same price level right around the close. But what's interesting to me is that even though we see this bullish card here for tomorrow bumping up against resistance, maybe breaking through and bumping up against another one, we also have this Fool card in the low position for tomorrow. That's a big deal. That means that there's a lucky opportunity in there, something unexpected. There's also the Ace of Cups as the trade opportunity card. First thing in the morning it correlates. And it correlates to the Bach, which is a breakdown through a support to meet a second support, bounce along that support for a bit, and then break down through multiple supports. It looks like, interesting. Yeah, because it looks like out of that, we likely gapped down. And the reason being is I've got some reverse clairvoyant anchors here indicating, again here, so even though this is a bullish day, it may be a gap down. Interesting. And then again, also on the 7th, we have, or excuse me, the sneak preview card for the 8th, we have the Tower card, even though this is a fast sudden move higher. It's an opportunity to open up a short position. So it's got to be nimble here, guys. It gets bullish. Let's look at the overview. Yikes! What just happened? Oh, trade. Are being funky right now. Alright, so just want to look at the day's chart again, see what's up here. This is probably that crisscrossing back and forth through the same price level that's beginning here, 341. Yeah. So probably do some like back and forth here, and then we're gonna move higher. Looks like even into the There's a drop here, guys, like overnight. Looks to me like a drop with a big move higher at the open. And then maybe again in the post-market tomorrow. So again, what I'm planning on doing is I cost average down on those 368 puts. They're like, don't buy 368 puts. Don't do it. Not at this point. I'm cost averaging down so I can get out of them at a good price. You know, I can when there's a move in my favor, I'll be able to get out of them at a lower price without taking a loss, hopefully. But we've got a decent gain on the 390 call we purchased yesterday, and I think what I'll do is I'll take that opportunity at the end of the day to close out of that, and then in the morning I'll likely, if we gap down, I'll be buying a call in the morning to sell at the end of the day likely. I had this coin reading pop up out of nowhere, so generally speaking, when something like that happens, oh, where did it go? There's a reason for it. So I'm going to take a look at it right now.